but you will feel it in the future.
Don't tell us what we're going to feel.
The war is everywhere, and the response to the war is everywhere.
Warning, air raid alert in progress. Warning, air raid alert in progress. Warning, air raid alert in progress.
Mr. and Mrs. Senator or Member of Congress.
Air raid alert in progress.
You know, as European Union, we are 27, and when it comes to the war with Ukraine, we are fully united, so we can share.
Parliament would pick up on this.